Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got na problem singing ba ba ba.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi guys. So today we are looking for a tutorial to using a PowerPoint to make a poster. So firstly, we must look for the scenario and also of the requirement of the poster. So we can read here. So the scenario is Naufal is an intern graphic designer at Expert Solution Company. His sales manager asked him to make a professional poster for marketing. His company do digital marketing service, but he has a low skill in designing a poster. The manager also told him that his company subscribes to Microsoft product. Not only that, he must also follow several requirements for the poster concept, such as use low budget, attractive poster for advertisement, specific criteria such as simple, have a company logo, and the title must be highlight, and at least use one picture, and must include website link for the company. First of all, you must open PowerPoint application or software in your desktop or your phones. So how we can custom the slide size? So first, you must go to design at the menu bar, and you choose slide size on the upper right side, and you can see you can click the button of custom slide there. So after you select or custom your slide size, we need to enter the font or maybe a text given. As for example, you can see here digital marketing agency. So I think most of people know how to arrange the font size, the color, and also the type of fonts. So it will be easier for you, okay, as a basic in a PowerPoint. We're going to learn how to add a picture or insert a picture in your poster. So basically, you can add a picture using online browser, or you can use your file internet storage file to add the picture. Okay, so in my tutorial, I use online browser powered by Bing. So you can search any picture you want as long you have a Wi-Fi connections. Okay, after you insert, you can see here the picture can be adjusted, or you can edit the picture using your creativity. Okay, so another thing you must take note when you're editing the picture, you have a button arrange, or we call it as position. So position is can help you to arrange the picture upward or backward, frontward or backward. Yeah. So the text can be on the picture or behind the picture. To look for how to insert the shape PowerPoint software. So you can see there in the menu bar also insert on the button shape, and when you click on the button, you can see a lot of shape that you can choose and you can insert. So just click the any shape you want, and you just drag it in your slide. And again, don't forget about the arrangement, the positions. Okay, So bring the shape backward, or because you want to have the picture on the front. Okay. Now we are going to look for any adjustment using your creativity. Okay, so we must check also about the requirement, such as highlight the title, and you must use one picture there. You have it right now, and you must use a creativity. But the thing is, you must make the poster simple that you can. Okay, so don't forget to add the website link for the company website link, and also the logo, the symbol. Okay, so you can look for my adjustment here. I do a lot of things, so you can just follow the instruction. Okay. So it's basically using your creativity, and this is the final product. Okay, so it looks like very nice here, because you just only use the PowerPoint that is free to all, and the best thing is you can do your jobs. Okay, so don't forget to learn, and don't forget to support. And thanks for watching. Hopefully beneficial for you.